Okay, don't listen to everybody who says you cannot have a custom thumbnail on your YouTube Shorts, because you can have that. There's a few requirements here in terms of the app and the platform you want to use, how you upload it, and basically how you create your video. I'm going to show you how to create a custom thumbnail on your YouTube Short in the next couple of minutes. Okay, so it starts in the Android app that you'll have for YouTube Studio. In this case, you'll go into your channel and hit the create button, the plus sign down at the bottom. Now once you hit the plus sign at the bottom, it's going to give you the right dialogue to basically upload your video. So you'll hit the video that you want to upload in your camera roll effectively after you've copied it to your device. And from there, you just hit the next button a couple of times to get to kind of the screen where you will define your thumbnail. So from there, you just have to hit the upper left-hand corner, and it's not super obvious, but when you hit the edit button there, it gives you the options then to be able to pick a frame in your video. Now, this is why you did some pre-planning in terms of your video frame that you want. So I've got some nice frames in the front of my video. The end of the video, maybe some potential frames I would like to use there, but in my case, I want to use the ones up front that have the logo and the text and everything. I'll give it some text in terms of a title for the video. Then from there, I just have to start the upload process. And that's going to take a few minutes. So I've sped this up a little bit in terms of how long that takes in real life, because I've produced it pretty high quality. And you'll see that, as I go into my Shorts tab on my channel, this is the video I uploaded before that has the custom thumbnail, just as a comparison to two that YouTube kind of randomly picked frames for that didn't get the custom thumbnail. So you can see this process worked. I now have the thumbnail that I want on the video. It took a little bit of upfront planning in terms of producing the video to have that frame that I wanted. Not sure if this works on iPhone or iOS, but it does work on Android using this process. Again, it's a little bit hidden, a little bit buried in terms of how you do it. Hopefully this helps, and if you like this tip, be sure to hit the like button. If you didn't like the tip, hit the dislike button, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And as always, thank you so much for watching.